All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Here it is. I decided to go ahead and pick up me a mobile stabilizer for my videos when I'm on my car channel. So I've noticed that using cameras and different things definitely are good, but I've been using my smartphone because I've been on the go a lot, and the footage is great. It's just that I didn't have any kind of stabilization. Now, it's relatively smooth without a mobile stabilizer, but I decided to go ahead and get one. This is only $100, and I went over to my local Best Buy and grabbed this. They had them in stock there. I could have ordered directly from DJI, but I'll leave a link down below because most people will prefer to just walk into a store or order online. So I'll leave a link down below to Best Buy where I got this from, but you can also get it from DJI as well. 3-axis stabilization, magnetic design, obviously is portable. Easy tutorials you can do. It says a one-tap creating. And this is through the Mimo app. I already have the Mimo app. It has active tracking 5.0. And that's something that's on the 6, basically the Osmo Mobile 6. And I didn't see the need for me to spend the extra $50 just to get the 6 for the options that are offered on the 6 versus this. So the 6 has a scroll wheel, and this has a slider for the zoom. The 6 also can extract out for a tripod. And those are the main differences that I've seen people talk about. But overall, I just didn't see the need to spend the extra $50 just to get those options. There may be more things on the list that are different than that, but those were the things I saw a lot of people talk about that I just didn't see the need to spend the extra money. And also, I wanted this particular color right here. I wanted this color, and so you couldn't get it right away with the 6 if you wanted to go into Best Buy and grab it, and I did. So here it is. This is how it comes to you in the box. There's a QR code that you'll need to scan for your Mimo app, but again, I already have the Mimo app, so you can just magnetically attach it to your phone. Here, this is to show you how to use it. Now, I've used gimbals before, but it's been a long time, folks. It's been so long since I've used a gimbal that I'm a novice again. So it comes packaged like this. This should just be a bag in here. Yeah, a bag, and then you've got some instructions and stuff like that. Yeah. Yeah, you got some literature. You got some bump stops here, and that's pretty much it. And then you've got this nice carrying bag. I love a good bag. And then here's the mount that goes onto your phone. It lets you know camera needs to be pointed, this side needs to be up, pointing for the camera. This is the magnetic mount that you'll use to pair it to the camera or to your phone. Here is something that I really like. It's got this very nice tripod. It's a big tripod too. It opens up really wide. So if I want to sit down or sit it down, I have this as well. Branding all over it, DJI. You've got a Type-C to Type-A cable that you'll need to use to charge it. And then here's the gimbal. Now, another feature that this does not have versus the Osmo 6 is the automatic power on feature. Now, that's something that I don't have to have. I don't think I'll be in a situation where I'm gonna have to rip it out real quick and try to get a shot and I'll miss it. I just don't think I'll be in that situation. So this doesn't have the auto power on, but you'll just hold the button to power it on. It doesn't have the scroll wheel for the slider. And it's pretty much the same thing. I mean, I couldn't see too many differences in this, but this is it right here. And the tripod, just the stand just screws in on the bottom here. And then you can sit it like this if you're going to film. Other than that, that'll just live in the bag. But here is the tripod. So you pull it open to turn it on, and then you hold this button right here, the M, to power it on. And this will go to the magnetic mount here for the phone. Now you have to make sure that they're lined up with the little dot on the mount here. So let's get this out of the way. There's a little dot right here. So you need to make sure this dot is lined up with it for it to work properly. Just like that. And it gets seated right in. So if I hold the button down, let's see if we got any power. Yeah, we do. So it is fully charged. and you can go through all the different modes by pressing the button like that. So I need to get this set up and set up with my phone, and I will do that, and then I'll create. Let's get it. All right, guys, this is it, man. This is probably one of the best things I've done for myself when it comes to buying something for my car channel or just upgrading any kind of gear. The gimbal shots that you can get from this, the spin shot is probably one of the coolest things that I'll probably do with this thing. And it's pretty much more just getting good, stable footage. So I just wanted to show you a brief introduction of it, unbox it, and show you that it's solid and everything. And I like it, man. But I think I'm gonna be able to now get those cool shots. And then my vertical shots for like social media will be a lot more stable and better too as well. So if you use a gimbal already and you've been using one, what are your use case scenarios for it? Do you have one for your smartphone? Do you have one for your cameras? What do you use it for? It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Quick video. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.